If the idea of tapping into high-growth regions excites you, you're in for a treat. Imagine uncovering hidden investment gems in fast-growing economies. Last time, we shared essential stock market tips for new investors. Today, we're uncovering the secrets of investing in emerging markets. You might think these markets are too risky, but stay with us. By the end of this video, you'll see the incredible potential they hold. Emerging markets can offer extraordinary returns, but they require a thoughtful approach. Here are 6 ways you can get started. Number 1, know what emerging markets are. Emerging markets are nations experiencing rapid growth and industrialization, such as China, India, Brazil, and South Africa. These markets present higher return potential, but also greater risks compared to developed markets. Number 2, conduct thorough research. Dive deep into the economies and companies you're considering. Study economic indicators, political stability, and market trends. Knowledge of the local business environment and regulatory framework is crucial. Number 3, diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across different countries and sectors to manage risk effectively. A diversified portfolio can better weather market volatility. Number 4, utilize exchange-traded funds, ETFs. ETFs provide a straightforward way to gain exposure to emerging markets without needing to select individual stocks. They offer diversification and are easier to manage for beginner investors. Number 5, be mindful of currency risks. Investing in emerging markets involves dealing with foreign currencies, which can be volatile. Currency fluctuations can impact your returns, so consider strategies to mitigate this risk, such as currency-hedged funds. Number 6, prepare for volatility. Emerging markets can be more volatile due to factors like political instability and economic changes. Be prepared for ups and downs and focus on a long-term investment horizon. And here's a little hint about our next topic. We'll be diving into the crypto world and discussing why market crashes happen and why they're normal. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Investing in emerging markets can be incredibly rewarding if you do your homework and adopt a strategic approach. Research, diversification, and a long-term perspective are your best tools. Don't miss our next video where we explore the roller coaster world of cryptocurrency and market crashes. Think about how these emerging market tips can fit into your investment strategy. Until then, keep learning, stay curious, and invest wisely.